Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Imagine being able to have total control over your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your NFTs, your meme tokens without relying on any centralized exchange. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OKX Web3 wallet. It is a Web3 wallet by the OKX exchange. Now, it gives you total access to over 120 dApps. Now, this is where the magic happens, the space of Web3. Stick around because by the end of this video, you should be set up and ready to dive into the space of Web3. Learn how to hold your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your meme tokens with so much ease and have a fingertip access there anytime you want. Let's go. So head over to your Google Play Store and search for OKX Wallet, and this is the particular wallet you have to open. All right, so click on this, download it if you don't have it yet, and if you have downloaded it, you click on open. You will be greeted with this screen. So what you need to do here is to either create a wallet or import a wallet. You use the import a wallet option if you have a wallet from elsewhere. You can migrate that wallet into the OKX Wallet app. All right, now for the purpose of this video, we'll be creating a new wallet, so we'll click on create wallet. You'll be prompted to create a seed phrase wallet. Now, the seed phrase is a string of words that acts as your recovery seed phrase. You need them to secure your wallet. Whoever has access to those 12 words or 24 words strings would have access to your wallet. So what we'll do now is we'll click on create, and then it might ask you to allow OKX use your biometric authentication. I suggest you click allow, but I will not use allow for now. So I'll click on cancel, and so you'll be prompted to enter your password, and then reconfirm the password you entered in the first place here, and then you click on continue. So I'll go ahead now and enter a password and then reconfirm the password and click on continue. All right, so once you're done entering your password and reconfirming the password, you click on continue, just like so, and your wallet will be installed, as you can see here. So the wallet has been installed automatically. This is where it is very important for you to take notice. All right, so you can actually back up your wallet, which is backing up your recovery seed phrase. Now, I do not suggest you back it up to your Google Drive. When you see this, don't do that. All right, I prefer you do manual backup, and this is where you will need to take a journal or a piece of paper and write down the 12 words that will be shown to you. That is your recovery seed phrase. It's like the master key to your wallet. Whoever has those words, those 12 words seed phrase or 24 words seed phrase, can access your wallet anytime, any day, and can drain your wallet. All right, so I have a video on what you should do with your wallet and what you shouldn't do with your wallet. You'll click on manual backup. All right, and then you can see it here. Why should I back up? This wallet is a decentralized wallet. It doesn't store your seed phrase and can't recover it for you. Keep the seed phrase safe and only to yourself. You can also use it to restore your wallet on other devices. All right, not your keys, not your crypto. So I'll click on continue, and then make sure your screen is only visible to you. It is very, very important. I'll click on I understand, and then it's asking me to store my seed phrase offline. That is why I said do not back it up to Google Drive. All right, if somebody has access to your email account, they can access your Google Drive and can always recover your your wallet using your Google Drive. So I click I understand. All right, and then lastly, own the seed phrase on the wallet. Like I said, whoever has access to your seed phrase owns the tokens or crypto in that wallet. So do what to write your seed phrase in a journal or a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe, only you have access to, and it should be. And don't snap it, don't screenshot it, don't take a picture of it, don't send it to yourself via email. Those are wrong practices or bad practices on how to manage and hold your seed phrase. All right, so I'll click on backup seed phrase, and my seed phrase might be revealed to me on the screen. So this is just a test wallet. All right, so I'll click on backup seed phrase. Now I would be prompted to enter my password again, and once I enter my password, the next screen will show me my seed phrase. All right, so I'll go ahead and enter my password. All right, so I have entered my password and clicked on continue. Now, if I tap on this screen here, it says tap to show the seed phrase. Make sure no one is looking at your screen. So if I tap on this screen here, my seed phrase would be revealed to me, and then I can write it down in the sequence in which they appear. They are numbered 1 to 12. So write it down in that same sequence, 1, 2, 3 till the 12th word. All right, so that is how to keep your seed phrase safe and secure. Once I'm done with that, I am done with installing this wallet. All right, so I'll click on continue. My seed phrase have been shown to me. Now, this is what happens when I back up my seed phrase and I've written it down safely. I'll be prompted to enter certain word. Like you can see, this first one here says word 1 or word number 1. So I'll go to my journal, pick the first word and select it here. Word number 3, I'll select the word here. Word number 10, I'll pick the exact word on my seed phrase, and then I'll click on done, and that will be it. So that is how to install the OKX Web3 wallet. Do what to always back up your seed phrase and keep it somewhere safe. Only you have access to. That is the right way to manage your wallet. All right. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video serves the purpose. Do what to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay safe.